Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be using free pattern from another YouTuber, and you can find the link to it in my description box below. And I'll be transforming this shirt that I thrifted into this front tie top with puffy sleeves. So let's start. So the pattern was a bit short for my liking, so I decided to add 5 centimeters to the bottom of both front and back bodice pieces, and only then I cut them out. Once everything was cut out, I sewed the front bodice darts and pressed them down, and at the tiniest tip I just made a couple of knots. Then with right size facing, I sewed the back and front bodice together at the shoulder seam, and I also zigzag stitched the seam allowance. Then I took the sleeve and sewed a basting stitch from one notch to the other one. And with right size kissing, as always, I pinned the sleeves to the bodice. I pinned the ends first, and then I pulled on the top thread and gathered the sleeve until it fitted the bodice. Then I sewed it down, and I also zigzag stitched the edges again. Then with right size kissing, I sewed up the sleeve and the side seams of the top. Then I zigzag stitched all around the raw edges and the bottom of the top, and then I folded the fabric in 1 centimeter and I sewed it down like that. I hemmed the bottom of the top the same way. Then I tried the top on and marked where the channels for the strings should go, and I created a very long bias tape which will be used like the channel for the string. And I pinned it to the inside of the top, right on the markings I made, and I sewed the channel down all around. I also folded the ends in like this to hide the raw edges, and I repeated the same with another channel. When I had both channels done, then I just had to finish the sleeves, so I folded the fabric in about 2 centimeters and I sewed all around, leaving a little gap unsewed for the elastic, and then I pulled the elastic through. I sewed the gap closed, and as a last thing I created 2 long strings to pull through the channels. I folded the ends of the strings in like this, and the top was done. If you guys like this one, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye!